Hey YouTube, this is Joker Knights Gaming back with yet another review. Today is going to be the Steelseries Apex Pro. I did not receive this from Steelseries. This was purchased today out of my own pocket. And we're going to go ahead and start with the unboxing. Don't worry, I took the tape off prior. Instruction manual. Have your wrist guard right there. And of course the keyboard. We have the instructions. Just to let you know, I have had Logitech for quite some time. As you can see, I have a Logitech Pro mouse there. Decided to switch it up and see how Steelseries is. All right, one thing to take note of right away is it does have two USB ends on it, so you have to make sure you have two USB ports. So that might be an issue for me, but we're gonna get it hooked up and start getting right into it. And this here, I believe, does have little magnet ends on it. Turn this around. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. I don't know if you can hear the click. Kind of a strong magnet, too. It's really comfy. As you can hear, really silent. So they definitely don't have the click-clack to them. Very smooth as well, from what I'm noticing so far. Okay, we now have it all hooked up. I did struggle to find a couple of USB ports. As you know, everything is USB nowadays. One of the USB ports, one is for the keyboard and one is actually for the pass-through. So that kind of helped a little bit. I don't think you would have to do the pass-through if you really don't want it. But I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. Hold on, let me shut my lights off. I want to show it to you. Okay, now that we have it all hooked up, as soon as I hooked it up, this came up here. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Then we're going to play around in the software and see how that looks. God, I love the color on this. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. Like I said, I was coming from a Logitech G910. It was a great keyboard. Just decided it was time to upgrade and see what else is out there. The other nice thing I like about this, which I'll do a little bit more research on, is the OmniPoint mechanical adjustable switches. So I will be looking into that as well. So let's see what we have here. Okay, just your standard stuff. So here I'm gonna expand this as much as I can. Actually, just do that. So for obviously first time playing with this software, so Oh, there we go. OLED and settings. So it does have an OLED screen, which is actually right here. Apparently, you can set that up. You can change. Let's see if I can put my logo on it. Actually, don't mind my. I wonder how big it can be. Let's do this right here. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. All right. So you can put your own logos on here. All right. So illumination. This looks like just okay. All right. How cool is that? Looks like it might take a little bit to kind of get used to. They have your gradient. Choose from different gradients and whatnot as well. Whoa. Flash warning. So obviously speed is all right, kind of digging this. Then we have breathe, chasing ghosts. Let's see what that one is. Oh, look at that. And then of course you can choose all kinds of different colors. It looks like you can actually pick your own colors as well. And then you can save them. Let's see, electric orange, apply. All right, and I'll hold it up like this so you can also see it. So what I'll do too for the added effect that I'm seeing is I'll go ahead and shut my lights off. All right, so I'll hold it up like that as well. So it looks like you can also pick specific keys, just like pretty much any or most RGBs, or just one key if you want. So West Coast. These are obviously all the other presets. Then you can manipulate them any way you choose. But I do like that the colors cover the whole keyboard instead of just the keys itself. So you can do the size of the block, radio. All right, that one's kind of cool. So obviously there's a ton of different options that you can do inside of here. I don't think I'm going to take you through every single one of them, but it looks like it is fully customizable to whatever you would like. That's to change that. So you can, looks like you can configure this as well. Discard. So we'll get it back to, you have different settings. This is going to be your volume wheel right here. And then this is settings. You can also put in presets for the coloration, whichever way that you want. So actuation, so this is what they were talking about with these switches. You can actually determine how sensitive that these are going to be. Obviously, I'll have to do another review to get more in depth. This is just the unboxing and kind of like checking things out. But you can actually set different activations on how quick it responds. So if you have, your trigger finger or anything like that, or jump, you can be a little more responsive. And then it has all the different bindings, tons of bindings here. Key bindings and meta bindings as well. And then this is going to be the volume control here. You can turn your volume up and down. And I believe this is one of the programmable buttons up here. Okay, as far as the illumination, I know it's going to be a little hard to see, but you actually can push and hold this down, and this will actually give you all of your settings. So you have your macros, illumination, profiles. You can set everything here. All your settings. Just scroll this wheel up like this, and then if I go to illumination and press in on this, you can go to presets, and you can change it right from this little wheel. And you can also set your own profiles as well. Personally, I like this one. I like Prism. And then with the ripple effect. Every time I type, it does that. So all in all, seems like a solid keyboard. Let me turn my lights back on. Just a couple. Let me go ahead and turn this off here. Kind of go over the back of this. So it says OLED smart display. Obviously, we saw that. USB pass-through port. Aircraft grade aluminum alloy frame. 5 customizable onboard profiles. Premium magnetic wrist rest, which is right here. Per key RGB illumination, so you can have every single key be a different color. Multimedia controls, which are going to be some up this area here. 100% anti-ghosting, 104 key rollover. Omnipoint mechanical adjustable switches, 5 times faster actuation, 8 times faster response time, and 2 times more durability. So it does have actual 0.4 millimeter to 3.6 millimeter adjustable actuation points. So that's this right here. So you can actually, like I said, change the response time on the keys as well, because of the switches that are in here. And let's do We kind of already did a typing test. Let me turn my mic down because this is a dynamic mic. So I'm going to face it right towards the keyboard. So as you can see, actually very very quiet. All right, so this keyboard I did purchase at Best Buy. I will post a link below on where you can get it. I picked it up for $199.99. So far, I think I'm going to like this. Again, I'll do a follow-up review in a few months here, just to see how everything works out. But so far, really enjoy it, really like it. I'm gonna have to play around with a lot of the LEDs. And for right now, I'm definitely going to give it a 10 out of 10, just because the way it looks, the way it feels, it's very solid. It's a very nice keyboard. My other keyboard, the Logitech 910, didn't light up this much. Just the keys itself lit up. So I kind of like how this, lights up the whole keyboard, and you can definitely have more customization over it. And hopefully I'll be able to change out my mouse and my headset and go all Steelseries. Hey guys, I wanted to thank you for watching, and thank you for all the support that you've provided me. I will be starting my streams back up, hopefully Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So hope to see you there. If you can follow me at twitch.tv/JokerNights, JokerNights. I'll also have a link below. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you, and I appreciate your time. Have a good day.